Present for sale at 3 Pines Garage. Registration AE 19HBA. 2019 Volkswagen Transporter T6 2.0 BiTDI BMT 204 Combi 4MOTION DSG. It has done 139,000 warranted miles with 9 services, 2 gearbox services held X and cam belt just changed. It's a rare 4-wheel drive model with automatic gearbox. It's a factory-fitted crew van with tailgate. Meticulously maintained, being a direct ex-Worcester Bosch fleet vehicle. It has a full service history with 1 owner from new at Bosch. It's always been limited and tracked. The van comes with heated seats, diff lock, soft close sliding doors, equipped with racking and drawers in the load area, power inverter, reverse camera, air conditioning, alloys, DAB radio, parking sensors, Bluetooth, heated screen. Fantastic condition both cosmetically and mechanically. It's mint. A full MOT and full service are included in the sale. PX is considered at trade value. Finance is available and warranty included. No VAT. You can contact us at 07300 300 101 or at 01885488188.